Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Ande. In this video, you will be learning how to write business emails. Throughout this video, I'll be teaching you all these 12 effective email techniques that are aimed at helping you communicate more effectively in the workplace. First technique is write a clear subject line. Here you can see I have given example. If you write title seminar, it is not clear. Instead of that, write clear subject security management seminar held by Siemens. We'll see one more example. Photocopy machine, it's not clear. Authorization for photocopy machine purchase. This is how try to write a clear subject line. Second technique, use the CC button. CC button is for those individual who need the information but who wouldn't be required to reply to your email or take any action. What I mean, 2 is expected to respond while CC is expected to read the message as information only. That means they cannot reply to your emails. Third one is use the out of office assistant. Suppose you are on leave, okay, you can automatically reply by stating out of office auto reply. How can you turn on this setting? Here you have to follow all these 5 steps. Click on the tools menu, select out of office assistant, click on I am currently out of office and enter a suitable message to be sent in your absence. Give the reason why you are absent. Click on OK to save setting. Repeat these steps and click I am currently in the office when you return. This is how, even if you are on leave, okay, if someone mail you, okay, you can set this automatic reply by stating you are out of office. Fourth technique is use attachments for long documents. You can mention this message, please find attached ABC company profile. Fifth point is keep your message short. Use only few paragraphs and few sentences per paragraph. And sixth one is don't use email for immediate action. Always do remember, if you need quick response, go with any alternate options, like either you can call directly or you can message on WhatsApp, because on email you have to give at least 24 hours to response. So for immediate action, I recommend you to use mobile or telephone or use any direct communication option. Next one is use spell check. Always keep in mind, before sending a final message, check your draft once. And here you can see these are the most commonly misspelled business words. Pause the video and go through all these vocabulary. I think it will help you to write your email. And at the end of your draft, once your draft is ready, do check spellings of each and every word that you have written. Eighth technique is use courteous language. Always remember, email communication should be polite and formal. Here you can see one example. Original, I am no longer responsible for dealing with work permits, so do not allow your staff to bring these permits to my office anymore. This is direct or sound like rude, informal. Instead of that, okay, here you can see revised one. How can you rewrite this? I have just transferred to the training department. Please inform your staff to deal with Asan from now on. Your cooperation is appreciated. This is how you can change your language to informal to formal and your tone to from rude to polite. Point number 9 is provide an action statement when necessary. Here you can see action statement. Therefore, do not open any email or save any attachment having the word love, even if it is from your trusted friends, partners, or vendors. Okay, you can read this body, we have identified a virus in the form of an attachment with the word love. Okay, that's why here we have written action statement. Next point is identify yourself clearly. At the end of the email, okay, include your name, job title, phone number, email address when you send an email outside your company. Here you can see one format: Ali Ahmad, name, account director, designation, phone number, and email ID. Second last point is do not overuse abbreviations. Try to avoid abbreviations like PLZ, please, YOUU, TO2, okay, information, info. Try to avoid using all these abbreviation. Instead of that, write complete words: please, you, to, information. Okay, and the last point is do not use all capitals when typing. Here you can see, avoid doing this. We will see the summary of whatever points just now we have learned. In order for business emails to be effective, please consider the top 10 tips before you hit the send button. First point, keep your message short. Second one, make your subject line mean something. Start your email with dear and end with a simple closing, thanks or regards. Always spell words correctly. Write in a positive tone. Sign your messages with at least your name, job title, and contact number. Don't use only capital letters. Don't just rely on an email. An email can be lost. Follow ups can often be done via the telephone or regular mail. Avoid using abbreviations unless your readers are familiar with their meanings. Tell people the format of any attachments you send if there are anything other than basic Microsoft Office file types. Thank you. I hope you have understood now how to write a proper business email. And I think these 10 points will definitely help you to write good business email. If you have any specific doubt related to this topic, please comment your doubt. I'll be very happy to help you. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.